In this video, I'll show you how to spruce up your transfers after you've applied them to Greek hoplite shields.
Rebel Rogue.
To paint this transfer, I will be using Umber Wash from Vallejo and Heavy Bread from the Extra Opaque and a size 2 Raphael. To begin with, I'm going to apply a thin wash to the whole model. As you can see, I have applied the transfer before washing the model. Lots of people don't use washers anymore. I really like them, certainly for this sort of battle line stuff, and I like the tint they give you on things like clothing. Can make it appear very realistic, or even more realistic. Come on. Right, the main important one that we're looking at, I will do the rest of it afterwards, is this transfer. So we're going to just apply the wash to the whole shield, ensuring that we don't get too much pooling in the recesses. As you can see, it doesn't stick to the transfer quite as well, but it sticks to the transfer. Anyway, I will tidy this. Now that the wash has dried, we can go in with the colours that we need to touch it up. For this shield, I painted it Vallejo's Heavy Red originally, so we're just going to touch up, reset the base coat, being very careful around where we've put the transfer and leaving a little bit of a gap just to outline it. Now that that is complete, this shield is looking a lot nicer. Finally, we are just going to highlight the actual decal itself, just to get rid of that brown staining. Again, leaving a very slight edge to it, and possibly highlighting the upper edge more than lower edges. Like so. And I will make sure to do it very, very carefully. There we have it, the finished shield. If you've enjoyed this video and you've learnt something, please feel free to like the video. If you want to see more content like this and some slightly different content, subscribe to the channel. And of course, if you think someone else is going to find this useful, please share it with them. Anyway, I hope to see you in the next one, and goodbye.